Switching from breastfeeding to formula feeding can be a big change for both you and your baby. It might take some time for your little one to get used to formula, but with patience and the right approach, the transition can be smoother. Here are some simple steps to help your baby adjust to formula feeding. Instead of stopping breastfeeding all at once, begin by replacing one breastfeeding session with a bottle of formula each day. This slow change helps your baby get used to the new way of feeding. Many parents find it easier to begin with the morning or evening feeding. These times are often calmer and less stressful. Once your baby is comfortable with having formula during that feeding, you can slowly replace other breastfeeding sessions with bottles. Some babies are picky about the bottle or nipple. If your baby refuses the bottle, it could be because they do not like the shape or flow of the nipple. Try different bottles or nipples that might feel more comfortable. Some babies prefer slow flow nipples, while others may prefer a faster flow. Experiment to find what works best. When giving formula for the first time, look for signs that your baby might not be feeling well. Watch for things like a rash, diarrhea, or extra fussiness. If you see any of these, talk to a doctor right away. Make bottle feeding a comforting experience by holding your baby close, maintaining eye contact, and speaking softly. This can help create a bond similar to breastfeeding and reassure your baby during the transition. If you are finding the transition difficult, try offering breast milk in a bottle before introducing formula. This can help your baby get used to the bottle itself, making the switch to formula easier. A formula dispenser machine quickly prepares baby bottles with the perfect formula-to-water mix, making feeding easier for parents. The Baby Brezza formula dispenser machine mixes formula and water to the perfect consistency in seconds, making feeding faster and easier. It works with most formula brands and allows customization of bottle size and temperature. This machine helps save time and reduces the hassle of manual mixing. By following these steps, the change to formula feeding can feel easier and more comfortable for both you and the baby.